everybody, welcome back to my channel. Thank you so much for stopping by. If you're new, welcome. If you're not, welcome back. So today we're going to be cleaning out my refrigerator. I'm also going to tidy up the living room as well as finish cleaning up the kitchen area, and I will tackle the downstairs bathroom with just a little tidying up because it's not dirty. It just needs to really be vacuumed out and a quick little wipe down. But this refrigerator has been something that I've been trying to get done for the last couple of weeks. It has spills all in it, food has wasted, and it just really needs to be thoroughly cleaned out. I did clean out my garage freezer with my husband before I started this project. We went to Sam's Club, and I did not film any of that, but we did go to Sam's Club. We put away a lot of the food, and we went into the garage freezer and we decided to clean it out, get rid of all the old food that we had in there, and then just put in the new food as well as the food that we could keep with that was not freezer burned or damaged. So here I'm just continuing to take out everything that I can so I can give it a good wipe down and clean it. I don't want to talk too much during this video. I might pop in here and there, but I just want you all to enjoy just me cleaning. Please don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Don't forget to hit that notification bell so that you do not miss any of my uploads. As well as make sure you turn me on any device that you have clean with me or use me as motivation for cleaning later.
I'm just not tired. I can hear the raindrops falling. It's cold outside, and I kinda feel like calling, but it's too late now. I just miss you. I just miss you.
So real quick, I just want to jump in here real quick because I feel like we have been doing really well in our food when I cook, and I cook smaller portions. But lately, or that was actually Easter. That just shows you how crazy that was. I cooked a ham, and that was the leftover of the ham that was in that plastic bag. My intent was to cut the ham in half because it's only 3 of us, and freeze the rest and then just cook half of it, but I didn't. I was hard-headed. I cooked the entire ham and wasted most of it. And then the green beans, I just overcooked, not paying attention. And then in the red pot is some collard greens, and again my intent was to cook the full pot of collard greens, take half of it, put it in the freezer so I have it for another day, and then the rest of it my husband and I could eat because my son doesn't eat collard greens. So I'm going to start making sure I do that because this is just being pure wasteful. Nobody told me getting this stupid thing out was going to be a hassle. I think it took me and my husband a good 20 minutes to try to get it out. I had to call him in for reinforcement because I could not figure it out. You can see me there YouTubing it, trying to see if somebody could tell us how to get it out. He finally was able to get it out using 2 screwdrivers and clipping something and it was able to lift. And then he had to be very careful and clip the sides so that he could get the glass out. And then he helped me clean it, of course. I don't think he trusted me enough to clean it by myself to make sure that I didn't break that glass. And thank God I didn't, because it was very fragile. And it was a bit of a task trying to be very careful with that glass, because it seemed kind of flimsy, but it's not, because we sit different things on it, but it does seem kind of flimsy when you take it out. So here he is helping me real quick with this particular part of the refrigerator, and then I'll be back to doing it by myself. So of course my husband is here trying to help me again, and I'm like, nope, I don't want that stuff there. You can go back upstairs and relax. And so you see him taking everything back out that he put in, and then I went ahead and finished up the refrigerator. We finna go deep, riding on a team. Got what you need, baby, won't you keep me company? Give me something to do when I get lonely. I got something for you when we get home. If you let me put it down, when I hit the town, you should slide on me. Keep your minds on me. On try, baby, I think you should side with me. Stay solid one time if you lie with me. Just promise you never lie to me. Keep the moves on tuck, I know it's all love. Everything good, keep the vibes on crush. I know it's all good, know it's all love, know it's all love. I've been feeling like I'm feeling like the man lately. Can't nobody do it like I can daily. Baddest in the lattice in the land. Body turn your nigga to a fanny up, fanny up. I made it where I'm at on my own. Had a couple blocks in the road, but I get to the bag on the low. I be counting stacks while they grow, yeah, you know me. Baby, won't you keep me company? Give me something to do when I get lonely. I got something for you when we get home. If you let me put it down, when I come in town, you should slide on me. Keep your minds on me. On try, baby, I think you should side with me. Stay solid one time if you lie with me. Just promise you never lie to me. Keep the moves on tuck, I know it's all love. Everything good, keep the vibes on crush. I know it's all good, good. Know it's all love, know it's all love.
I'm out of reasons, I'm out of rhyme, but I'll only tell you that I'm out of time. I'm sick of love songs, I'm tired of this, and I wanna tell you straight just like it is. You're watching me like you wanted me, but you're still holding back, still holding back. Honestly, you're annoying me with the way that you keep playing. Show me your love like it is, like it is. Bend open my heart like you're fearless. Steal all the gold you can get, you can get. Show me your love, leave me breathless, breathless. to show me what you feel. You're watching me like you want me, but you're still holding back, still holding back. Honestly, you're annoying me with the way that you keep playing. Show me your love like it is, like it is. Bend open my heart like you're fearless. Steal all the gold you can get, you can get. Show me your love, leave me breathless, breathless. Show me your love like it is, like it is. Bend open my heart like you're fearless. Steal all the gold you can get, you can get. Show me your love, leave me breathless, breathless. It's 2 a.m. and I can't fall asleep, 'cause I'm not tired. I'm thinking about the days we used to shine when we were young. I told you that we should start a band and reach for the sky. It's 2 a.m. and I can't fall asleep, I'm just not tired. I can hear the raindrops falling. It's cold outside, and I kinda feel like calling, but it's too late now. I just miss you. I just miss you. We were such a constellation, right? No, you'd agree. Made a reputation for ourselves at age 18. We had the devil on our shoulders telling us what we should do. I wonder if you think about me too. I can hear the raindrops falling. It's cold outside, and I kinda feel like calling, but it's too late now. I just miss you. I just miss you. Oh, I miss you. Oh, I miss you. It's 2 a.m. and I can't fall asleep, I'm just not tired. I can hear the raindrops falling. It's cold outside, and I kinda feel like calling, but it's too late now. I just miss you. I just miss you. Miss you. Miss you.
like this video is coming to an end. I thank each and every one of you so much if you made it this far. I appreciate every one of you. I hope that you all enjoyed this video and everything that I had in store for you. Please make sure you like, comment, and subscribe. Don't forget to hit that notification bell. And until next time, ladies and gentlemen, bye.